Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Riz English Channel. I'm Riz, your English teacher and friend. I'm so happy you're here today because we have a really fun topic to talk about. Are you ready?
Hi, everyone. Hi, Riz. I'm excited. What are we talking about today?
Today, we'll talk about something everyone loves. Hobbies.
Hobbies. Oh, I like that.
Yes, hobbies. Things you enjoy doing in your free time. Do you have a hobby, Zoe?
Yes, I do. I love painting and watching movies.
Nice. Painting and movies. Those are great hobbies. And you, our listeners, what about you? Do you have a hobby? Maybe you like reading, or cooking, or playing games. Whatever your hobby is, today we'll learn how to talk about it in English step by step. You'll learn real sentences you can use in daily conversations.
That sounds so helpful because sometimes people ask, "What do you like to do?" And I freeze. I don't know how to answer.
Yes, that's very common. Don't worry, after today's lesson, you'll never freeze again. You'll sound natural and confident.
Perfect. Let's do it.
Okay, let's start simple. When someone asks you, "What are your hobbies?" or "What do you like to do in your free time?" you can answer like this: I like or I love plus the activity.
So I can say, "I like painting," or "I love painting."
Exactly. That's perfect English. Now, repeat after me. I like painting.
I like painting.
I love painting.
I love painting.
Great job. And listeners, say it too. I like painting. Nice. That's the basic way to talk about a hobby. Simple and natural.
What if I like more than one thing?
Good question. Then you can say, I like painting and watching movies. Or, I like painting, reading, and cooking.
Oh, so I can just add more hobbies with and?
Exactly. Try saying it.
I like painting and watching movies.
Very good.
I like painting, reading, and cooking.
Excellent. That's perfect. Now, here's a small trick. If your hobby is an activity, you usually add ing to the verb, like reading, cooking, swimming, dancing.
Oh, yes. So we don't say, "I like swim." We say, "I like swimming."
Correct. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I like swimming.
I like swimming.
I like dancing.
I like dancing.
I like cooking.
I like cooking.
Perfect.
I like sleeping too.
Me too. Sleeping is the best hobby ever.
Yes.
But when you talk about hobbies, it's nice to say why you like them. That makes your English sound more natural.
Okay. How do I say that?
Easy. You can say, I like cooking because it's relaxing.
I like cooking because it's relaxing.
Great. Or, I love reading because it helps me learn new things.
I love reading because it helps me learn new things.
Perfect. Try to always add because and give a short reason. Let's try with your hobby, Zoe.
Okay. I like painting because it makes me feel calm.
Beautiful sentence. That's exactly how to say it.
Thank you.
Listeners, now you try. Think about your hobby. Say, I like, then add because and your reason. Great. You're doing really well.
Can we learn some more example hobbies?
Of course. Let's go through a list of common hobbies and how to say them. I'll say them slowly, and you can repeat. Ready?
Ready.
Reading books.
Reading books.
Watching movies.
Watching movies.
Listening to music.
Listening to music.
Playing football.
Playing football.
Playing guitar.
Playing guitar.
Cooking food.
Cooking food.
Gardening.
Gardening.
Drawing.
Drawing.
Traveling.
Traveling.
Taking photos.
Taking photos.
Great. Those are some of the most common hobbies in English.
I like traveling.
Oh, nice. Why do you like traveling?
I like traveling because I can see new places and meet new people.
That's wonderful. That's a very good example sentence.
Thanks.
Here's something interesting. When someone asks, "What do you do in your free time?" you can answer in a few different ways. You can say, "I like," or "I spend my free time," plus the activity.
So, I spend my free time reading books.
Yes, perfect. Or, "I spend my free time watching English movies."
That's great for learners.
Exactly. Watching English movies is a good hobby because it helps your listening skills.
Yes, that's how I improve too.
And you can also say, "In my free time, I usually," and then your activity.
Oh, like in my free time, I usually cook with my family.
Excellent. That sounds natural and friendly.
In my free time, I usually go for a walk.
Perfect. That's a good daily habit, too. Now, here's a fun mini quiz for you and our listeners. I'll say a sentence with a missing word. You guess the hobby, okay?
Okay, let's play.
I love blank because I can listen to my favorite songs.
Listening to music.
Yes, correct. Next one. I like blank because I can make delicious food.
Cooking.
Great job. I like blank because it helps me stay healthy.
Maybe running or swimming?
Both are correct. Very good.
Yay!
And one more. I love blank because I can see new countries.
Traveling.
Exactly. Nice work. And listeners, if you got those right, give yourself a small clap. Hobbies help us relax, learn, and enjoy life. Talking about them in English helps people know more about you.
Yes, it's a good topic for small talk.
Right. People often ask about hobbies in friendly conversations or job interviews.
Oh, job interviews too?
Yes, the interviewer might ask, "What are your hobbies?" Or, "What do you like to do outside of work?"
Oh, I see. So I can say, I like reading and cooking because they help me relax.
Perfect. That sounds confident and professional.
That's good to know.
Let's add some practice sentences for everyone listening. Repeat after me. I like reading books.
I like reading books.
I love playing guitar.
I love playing guitar.
In my free time, I watch movies.
In my free time, I watch movies.
I spend my free time listening to music.
I spend my free time listening to music.
I enjoy traveling because it's exciting.
I enjoy traveling because it's exciting.
Great. Those sentences are very common and easy to use.
I like that you said, I enjoy traveling. So we can also use enjoy, right?
Yes, very good point. You can say, "I enjoy," plus the ing form. For example, I enjoy reading. I enjoy dancing.
Okay, so I enjoy painting is also correct.
Absolutely.
So we can say, I like, I love, or I enjoy.
Exactly. They all mean almost the same thing, but love shows stronger feeling.
Like, I love chocolate.
Ha, yes, perfect example.
I love sleeping.
Everyone does.
Yes.
Now, let's learn some questions you can ask other people about their hobbies.
Okay, I like this part.
You can say, "What do you like to do in your free time?"
What do you like to do in your free time?
Or, "Do you have any hobbies?"
Do you have any hobbies?
Very good. And you can also ask, "How often do you do it?"
Oh, so if someone says, I like swimming, I can ask, how often do you go swimming?
Perfect. That's a great way to keep the conversation going.
Okay, so they might answer, I go swimming twice a week.
Exactly. Or, "I usually play football on